The rise of robotics is fundamentally transforming industries, ushering in an era characterized by enhanced efficiency, productivity, and innovation across various sectors. As robotics technology evolves, it is no longer confined to repetitive tasks. Modern robots are equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and sensor technologies, enabling them to perform complex operations and interact more naturally with humans. This transformation is particularly evident in manufacturing, where robots streamline production processes, reduce errors, and significantly boost output. For instance, in the automotive sector, companies like Tesla and Ford utilize robotics for welding, painting, and assembly, enhancing production speed and consistency while lowering labor costs. In healthcare, robots are increasingly assisting in surgeries and patient care, improving precision and reducing recovery times. They are also being deployed in logistics and warehousing, where they automate sorting and delivery operations, thereby optimizing supply chains. Agriculture is another sector experiencing significant automation, with robots now capable of harvesting crops and monitoring their health, which leads to better resource management and higher yields. The benefits of robotic automation extend beyond increased speed and accuracy. By minimizing human error, robots enhance product quality and safety. They also allow human workers to focus on more strategic tasks by taking over mundane and repetitive activities. Furthermore, robots can operate continuously, which reduces downtime and maximizes efficiency. Collaborative robots, or Cobots, are designed to work alongside humans, fostering a partnership that leverages the strengths of both parties. This collaboration is facilitated by advancements in safety features, such as sensor technologies that allow robots to navigate their environment safely and intuitively. As industries continue to adopt these technologies, the focus on sustainability is becoming increasingly important. Robots are designed to use less energy and generate less waste, contributing to more sustainable manufacturing processes. The integration of robotics with other emerging technologies, such as the Internet of Things (IoT), further enhances operational efficiencies and opens new avenues for innovation. To fully harness the potential of robotics, businesses must adapt their operations and invest in workforce reskilling to ensure that employees can effectively collaborate with robotic systems. This proactive approach will enable organizations to not only remain competitive but also to lead in the rapidly evolving landscape of automation. The future of robotics promises even greater advancements, with AI-driven robots expected to play pivotal roles in various sectors, from healthcare to manufacturing, ultimately reshaping how industries operate and interact with technology. By embracing this technological revolution, businesses can optimize processes, reduce costs, and unlock new levels of performance, positioning themselves for success in an increasingly automated world.